The majority of individuals on the planet will at some time in their life worry about their financial security. Even when they are aware they can do better, many individuals continue to labor in unfulfilling occupations or are in debt. But what can you do about it? How can your financial situation really improve if you stop borrowing money, start saving, and invest your money? Although they are not long-term answers to making you wealthy and prosperous, these tips are wonderful small things you can do without much work to ease the pain and make your money go a little farther. According to banking experts, here are 10 steps to quickly improve your financial position. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Financial Tech channel for more future updates. Let's begin then. Number 1. Put money into your savings at the start of each month. It is far easier to move money into a separate savings account at the beginning of the month as compared to the end. If you put the money aside in the beginning, you will have a smaller budget to live on and be less likely to make silly impulse purchases that squander your money. All those fast food purchases will likely be cut in half since you'll need to be more frugal with your money, and it will teach you to be more cautious with how you spend it. Number 2. Pay off your loans as quickly as possible. If someone is negligent, debts may quickly accumulate. Due to the outrageous interest rates, many individuals may discover that after taking out one loan, they then need to take out another to repay the first. If you can avoid taking out loans in the first place, this is unquestionably the best course of action. If not, though, make every effort to repay it as quickly as you can to lower the amount of interest you must pay. Number 3. Learn to negotiate. Anyone who wishes to increase their income should become skilled at bargaining. Knowing how to barter can help you save a ton of money, and it's a valuable skill to have in general. Negotiation may help you obtain better bargains on any purchases you make, boost the worth of whatever you sell, and progress your career. To get a better deal for yourself, never be reluctant to attempt to negotiate with others. Most people will be willing to negotiate with you, so be ready to do so when the opportunity arises. Number 4. Eliminate unnecessary charges or fees. Have you ever gone over every single one of your outstanding recurring bills in detail? Some individuals often overlook these, even if they just need a modest amount each time. Review your monthly bills carefully, and be sure to immediately cancel any services you no longer need. Check the fees and charges at your banks as well. Number 5. Start earning some passive income. Passive income is a great way to augment your primary source of income. Income that doesn't directly depend on how much labor you put in is known as passive income. While you're asleep, on vacation, and other activities, you may earn it. The simplest ways to start producing passive income if you don't have much money are to create your own website, blog, or YouTube channel. Here, banner advertising will be the source of your income. You may monetize any interest or pastime you may have with these online platforms. Number 6. Sell anything you don't want or need. We spend a lot of money on items we don't really need or want. Most of you have undoubtedly made at least one purchase that you haven't utilized. Why then not put those things up for sale on eBay? You may be surprised by how much money you can really generate from only your unwanted items. Instead of spending all of your hard-earned money on something you really desire, you may sell something less desirable or use to pay for it. Number 7. Every little bit helps. No matter how minor, every expense reduction can help you improve your financial situation. You must thus make an effort to ensure that you avoid any costs that could otherwise be incurred. Every dime adds up. Give up waiting. Don't second guess it. Don't contemplate and think. Start right now. Saving more will enable you to start and finish more quickly. Consider speaking with a credit counselor at a nonprofit credit counseling organization if your debts are so high that you aren't sure you can pay them off. Number 8. Invest in yourself. This isn't really a fast technique to boost your income since it's all about bettering yourself and developing your abilities to progress in your career and move up the ranks, but I do think it's important to remark. Do it if you know it will be lucrative, even if you have to borrow money from your bank to do this. Spend time honing your abilities, and don't be afraid to spend cash on equipment, fashionable attire, and other items to better yourself and show prospective employers that you mean business. Number 9. Shop around. No matter where you may get it for less money, there is always the want to buy anything as soon as you see it. You must quickly purchase it as soon as you see it. I think it's quite astonishing how much money you can save if you're prepared to wait a little longer to buy anything. For instance, if you went someplace else to buy a video game, you might easily save in $10,000. However, if you were purchasing a vehicle, waiting until you found the perfect one may end up saving you a ton of money. I have no doubts about anything. This concept is valid when requesting a bank loan. Shop around to get the greatest value. Number 10. Seize every opportunity. Seizing every opportunity is one of the most important things you can do in life. An opportunity is a chance to achieve something, and it can be anything from getting a promotion at work, to learning something new, to making a difference in your community. Whatever the opportunity is, you should take it and make the most of it. The best way to seize every opportunity is to stay open to new ideas, be proactive, and find ways to make the most of every situation. Start by looking for ways to get involved in activities that you find interesting or important, such as volunteering or joining a club. You can also look for networking opportunities or try out new things. It's also important to take advantage of the opportunities that come your way, even if they don't seem particularly exciting or beneficial at first. In order to seize every opportunity, you also have to have a willingness to take risks and be willing to try new things. This means being willing to step out of your comfort zone and take on challenges. Additionally, it's important to be prepared and do your research beforehand. This includes researching the topic, the company or organization, and anything else that could be relevant. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.